Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Paola, and today we're gonna be doing a fun video that has to do with makeup, but I'm not gonna be using makeup. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that I invented this because I don't really know if someone has done this before, but I'm just gonna think that I just did that. Full face of acrylic paint makeup look. I'm just wearing a big sweatshirt so I won't get paint all over myself. I put a white background, so you know, like canvas painting. Get it? Okay, so let's get on with this video. Okay, so before we start putting on our makeup, we have to clean our faces. Like, my face looks oily today, but it's because I added some moisturizer and some face oils and all that type of good stuff. So I'm gonna clean my face first. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off by cleaning with micellar water. This one is from Garnier Skin Active. It's just what I use to take on my makeup. Okay, so here I got this is actually a okay, this is too heavy. Wait a second. Old makeup box I had, which I would like put all my makeup when I'm gonna go and do makeup on other people. But then I got a new one, which is even bigger, so it's better. And I just thought, why not use that for my paints? So that's what I use. This plate here, this is what I use to put my paints. This side is clean because this side I use for watercolor. So it's kind of clean because it has some acrylic paint on it that I couldn't get out. This is the side I use for acrylic paint. That's why it's the messiest. This was a sauce jar Prego sauce thing, and I like it because it's like, you know, glass, and I just use that for my water. I got my brushes. This is not like a rolly thing that came for my brushes or like I bought for the brushes. This is from my Stabilo markers, pens, however you like to call them. In here we got all of my paints. Got a couple. I don't have like a lot because what I do is I just mix and match different colors and make the colors I want. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be using today, and we're gonna work with that on our faces today. At least in my face, because I don't think you're gonna want me to try this. So let's get on to it. I start with my moisturizers and all that, but I can't use that because it's too oily, and then all of the paint is gonna slip down my face. So primer is the next step. Use clear glue. Here I bought this like the other day because if you saw my last video, which you should check out, I'm gonna put a little corner right here. That video I had to go out and buy more glue, which is this one. Okay, so for primer I'm gonna be using this brush because, oh yeah, that's the stuff. Be careful with your eyebrows and with your hairline because that's gonna be a pain in the butt to remove. Okay, so we are prepped and primed, and now I'm gonna go to foundation. Great. So I got these colors here. The darkest one is this dark brown. I got like a lighter nude beige brown. This is like a sand brown, and then this other brown. That's like a cream color, not brown, like a whitish cream color. And I got some white, and I mix up what I think I need to make my foundation color. Acrylic paint dries darker than the actual shade you do, so try to, if you're gonna do this again, horrible error, try to mix the foundation color to be lighter. And I think I'm gonna mix in some yellow too because I'm a bit of a yellowish. So I got it to this color, and I'm gonna start applying that to my face. The glue is already dried up in my face, so I'm like I got Botox like that. Oh my god. Let's just hope that this doesn't get you popped pores. I mean, it shouldn't because it's not like oil-based paint, like oil paint. Hello guys, it's me, the Phantom of the Opera. Oh! And so now let's contour face. So I'm just gonna be using the beige color, territorial beige for the contour because it's like a really dark shade. And before this like foundation dries, I mean, the blending on this side looks good, but then you go to this side, it's like, what the heck just happened here? Okay, that. I can't say that's better, but I can say that's that. Nose contour. Blush time. This is what I'm gonna be using for blush. I thought this was gonna dry out darker than it did, but I'm not gonna fight with it because it looks like I'm baked. Mixing this into the foundation color. Oh my god. I got blush on. Oh my god, I'm gonna add it on my nose too so I can like get that nose contour like smoothed out. This is such a huge mess. I didn't thought it would be this bad. That is horrible. Look at that texture, it's just like unblendable. Because if you like blend it too harshly, it would just come off. Now I am going to go into my eyes and I am scared in this part. Okay, so I thought, why not do a smoky eye? Because why not? I mean, we can't go any worse than this, right? So I'm gonna grab this brown, it's a chocolate. This color is so beautiful. It genuinely looks like chocolate. Like, look at that. It looks like melted chocolate. Can I eat it? No, I can't. Okay. I really like, it's not bad. Like, I try to blend it, but acrylic paint dries up so fast. So hard to blend. I've seen worse things with the real makeup, like using actual makeup because of acrylic paint that look worse than this. So I do not think this looks that bad. So now I'm going to grab a small like flat brush and I'm going to be like cutting my crease with this. And I'm just going to use the color I used as foundation on my face. Okay, I see you, crease. I see you. Actually, not that bad. Okay, so I did that, and I have to stay like this or this thing. Oh my god, it's like so tightening on my lids doing green eyeliner. Cause I have this new green I bought that's like in your face. I can't open my eyes. Oh my god, it's like so freaky. And I'm just gonna do a wing liner with that. Why not? Okay, so that green looks like so bomb. Like, if this will come in an eyeliner, I would totally wear this. Like, yes. But like my skin, like the eyelids are already dry, but it's like tugging on my skin so I can barely open my eyes correctly. Like, this is how I can open them, and it feels so weird in here, so that's it. gonna do my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna use that same brown I used in my crease all in my brow. Hello, Sharpie brow. It's like a brown Sharpie brow, but like that's the size of that brow. Using this bright red. I was gonna say bright red, flag red it's called. So I'm gonna put that on my lips with this little brush here. That looks kind of weird, or you cannot see it. So this brush right here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all like beautiful. I look so ridiculous. Hey guys, that was the video of today. Oh my god, it looks so creepy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great, amazing, good laugh because I surely did with my face today. And thank you guys for watching. As always, if you try this weird thing out, just, you know, I don't know, put them on Twitter, hashtag acrylic clown face. And yeah, try this, look out, and yeah, just put your pictures on Twitter with that hashtag acrylic clown face, because why not? And yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, please like this crazy video if you liked it, of course, and if you didn't like it too, why not? What do you got to lose? Please subscribe down there to my channel to see more crazy videos like this, or actual tutorials that you might learn from in makeup. And yeah, so I see you guys in my next video. All my social media is now in the end of the video. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye! Now how am I going to take this off?